Oh, hey, kid.
You're good. You're good. Where's your mustache? Go get it. Go back inside and get it. I'm ashamed of you.
Too bad.
Now you look like this.
So huge. It's really freaking loud.
It just amazes me how many wires. See, I can't.
What?
Do it.
Hi.
Where are we? Sheets again.
Of course, because that's all we ever go.
We brought company this time.
We did. We got Felix. We got that guy in the back. Look at him. Just walking away. Two camera guys. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Excuse me. I'm trying to, sir. Sir. Anyways, we're what, about an hour away from Big Levels.
Hour and 20 minutes.
Hour and 16 minutes.
I just checked.
All right, so hour and 20 minutes. We got one stop because someone needs extended brake lines installed.
Stupid! We stopped there.
Yeah, we'll stop there and fix it.
We'll do that. Find a nice
We got
spot.
this.
Let's go.
Hit the road.
Use the right lane to take the I-81 south ramp to Woodstock.
Happy Friday! We camped out at Patty's Cove Lane. Found a really good spot last night. Heading to Big Levels. I missed my exit here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at a Sheets parking lot in Virginia, and our two cameramen are playing fuck games. Come with me, I'll show you what's happening. This little bugger right here just put a can on top of me rig. And this little bugger inside the rig is putting cans on your rig. This is unacceptable behaviour for cameramen. We're gonna have to drown them both in a river of shit.
Like I said, that's all I do is.
Josh, the Overland's in an excursion.
I have an excursion. Oh, nice. No, too. Thank you. So I can't get involved like y'all do because I don't have the articulation or anything. And we get pretty crazy where we go. Yeah, there you go. Give them what they want. Not what they want. Well, we didn't make it to the trail. Felix needed extended brake lines installed and the fronts went on really fast. So we decided to do the back. We'll get there. We'll get to the trail. Hopefully today. Should we make them go through the puddle first?
Oh yeah, we could do that.
Want to do that?
Yeah, maybe.
Which one do we want? Guess a number between 1 and 5.
7.
You're leading. You're welcome. There you go. We got a leader. Oh.
Yeah, we're all gonna die.
Yay.
No, just this guy. Be
Yeah.
positive. Positive that you're gonna die. Exactly.
We're gonna find out how good he does. It's raining.
So who am I riding with? I'm riding with you.